As the product manager of Accio, I believe AI isn't just a chatbot paperweight, and that's why we're launching Accio Work, a full team of agents that doesn't just tell you what to do, it does it. While you sleep, while you eat, while you enjoy your life. Look at my client, Sarah. Her shop is in a prime location, yet she's always a step behind the hottest trends. The problem is vague, right? But every small biz owner knows the struggle. Accio Work assembles a team. First, the project supervisor syncs all shop data with Sarah's permission. Then the trend expert immediately takes over the selection process, leveraging proven strategies from Amazon's official playbooks to the street wisdom of the shop next door. Well played, Sarah. For a small shop, nothing matters more than cash flow. The sourcing expert doesn't just search, it hunts. If the information isn't online, it proactively makes calls and sends emails for inquiries automatically. Sarah used to pick 3 top suppliers out of 10. The sourcing expert also picks 3, but out of 126 suppliers. As professional business AI agents, our team is strictly reliable. We don't touch your bank accounts, and we don't lose your cargo. Sarah keeps the final say. Her expert team handles 100% of the delivery. Sarah used to tell me she was always one step behind. Funny, now her competitors are saying the exact same thing. Here's Helen. Her spa is expanding. She has world-class massage therapists, but no world-class renovation and procurement team. Enter Accio Work. Helen's expert squad is ready for the heavy lifting. After the PM briefing, the design expert drops a renovation plan that's actually doable, within budget, within Helen's spa style, and with every single item tagged and numbered for the sourcing team. The sourcing agent does what it does best, finds everything everywhere fast. But let's talk about the negotiation agent, because this is where it gets fun. Haggling requires patience. Supplier back and forth take days, buried in endless emails. But the negotiation agent works 24/7, using every tactic in the book, selling the visions, playing the terms, bundling the orders, all to squeeze out every last cent for you, and also filter out any unreliable options. Once every deal is sealed, the logistics agent takes over, mapping global warehouse networks, grouping shipments, and picking the route that fits the best. As the product manager, I have full confidence in this team. Helen has a vision. If everyone starts using Accio, they'll finally have the time to come for a spa. Alex used to joke that he was CEO by day, intern by night. Like most entrepreneurs, Alex has one crystal clear goal: make money. But how does the money come in? Accio's expert team commits to running alongside Alex for the entire month. The finance expert goes first, dissecting Alex's store data to define the gap and key drivers to reach the target. Then the operations expert takes the wheel. Every single morning, Alex wakes up to a report he didn't have to make, and a bunch of to-do lists he didn't have to do by himself.
Okay, let's try it.
The marketing expert updates images, rewrites copy, and revamps product pages. Now he can skip late-night manual analysis and truly act like the boss. Usually we have everything under control, but sometimes there's a curveball. But no worries, Accio always has a solution. Every night before bed, he gets a progress report with a strategy recap. Today marks day 21 of Accio running alongside Alex with 75% progress achieved so far. Is 10K still far off? At Accio, we empower every entrepreneur with a professional, secure, and battle-ready team. But this is only the starting line. Imagine millions of AI agents communicating in real time. This isn't just efficiency, it's a business evolution beyond anything we've imagined. As AI-native enterprises rise, the old boundaries of roles will dissolve. Everyone becomes a solo entrepreneur, driven by their ideas, fighting as a team, growing, and then growing bigger.